Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my current wash day routine. As you guys have seen, my hair color has changed, so my routine has changed also. So I'm going to share with you what has been working with me so far. So here's what my hair is looking like before I wash it. I did do a pre-poo treatment on it because if I just go in and try to do it without a pre-poo treatment, then I struggle for real. So the shampoo I was told to use is this Shimmer Lights shampoo that is specifically made for blonde hair, and it's just going to help keep the blonde hair more vibrant and it's color enhancing. So that's what I want, and it's also going to help tone down the brassiness. I live in Arizona, so the sun is like always shining and it tends to make my hair look more brassy, and I find that this helps tone that down. And after I work that into a lather, I rinse that out and do a second shampoo. And the second shampoo was kind of like a 5-minute treatment where you leave that in for 5 minutes so that it can do its job. So while that's in my hair, I go in with Curl's Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. And I only apply this to my scalp because I feel like it really does a great job with cleaning my scalp. I wanted the blueberry extract to get onto my scalp to encourage healthy hair growth and just to really clean my scalp because I felt like the Shimmer Lights wasn't doing that. So that is why I use two different washes. For conditioner, I'm using this Eon Color Solutions Deep Daily Conditioner. I bought this at Sally's looking for a intense moisturizing conditioner for my color treated hair, and I got this one, and I find that it does do an amazing job with conditioning my hair, but it doesn't have as much slip as I want it to. I find that it's very thick and it doesn't give me much slip, so I'm still looking for a good deep conditioner for color treated hair. And while the conditioner is still in my hair, I use the Care Anti-Dandruff Moisturizing Conditioner, and I apply this only to my scalp because it works wonders for my dandruff. So if you have dandruff, this is actually a great conditioner to use on your scalp. So I leave that on my scalp for 20 minutes, and while it's on my scalp, I quickly detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. And the Eon conditioner actually made it a little difficult to detangle because it didn't have enough slip, but my hair still benefits from it, so I continue to use it. It's very moisturizing. After that, I rinse everything out and my wash day is done. I didn't deep condition this wash day, but I do use a deep conditioner 2 to 3 times throughout the month, and I will show that in my next wash day video. Alright guys, that's my current wash routine. Please give this video a thumbs up so I can continue making hair videos for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one.